In this video, it will show you how to check if you're the named supervisor in ESR for the person you are appraising. It will also demonstrate how to record the appraisal date in ESR. You can check your line management hierarchy by first logging into ESR. On the landing page, click on the Manager tab at the top. This brings you to the Manager Self-Service page. You can then scroll down and click to launch your organization chart. You will appear at the top of the organization chart with your direct reports listed below. You can drag the work area to focus on your direct report. Then, click the arrow under your direct report to check that all staff reporting to them are correctly listed in the hierarchy. If any direct reports are missing, please email huh-tr.esrsupport@nhs.net and copy your manager in for approval. The request will normally be actioned within 48 hours. To record the appraisal date in ESR, you can navigate to the Manager tab and then click on Manage Appraisals. If there are any appraisals in progress, they will be shown in the table here. Complete and submit them first. To record a new appraisal, select Create Standard Appraisal in the drop-down list, and then click Go. Find your appraisee in the table and select the Action button. In the Reviewed Type drop-down list, select Performance Appraisal. In the Period Start Date field, enter the past 12 months. In the Template field, click on the magnifying glass. Type in the percentage symbol, click Go, and then click the Quick Select symbol for HUHFT Appraisal Template. Enter the meeting date and also confirm or update the main reviewer if necessary. Once these are entered, you can then click Add Details in the top right corner. Click Complete Appraisal. Select Continue. And then click Submit and confirm with Yes. The appraisal date will then be recorded and reportable.